Yes, I'm back. Sorry for that. Go ahead, brother.
Pradi also took 1 minute. Wait.
Okay, no problem. Um,
Yeah, sure. Pradi Raj is back.
Hi, yeah, hi, Hitesh. Yeah. So I'm back
I'm
now.
back with it. Sorry.
Yeah, okay, no problem. So Raj, I was explaining about the warehouse structure. Okay, so this is like the simple warehouse structure. So just for the demonstration purpose, so for your understanding, I just put this picture here. So you can just relate. So this is the warehouse structure. So in the warehouse, like these are the inbound staging areas and these are the outbound staging areas. When the goods are received, first it will be received at the inbound staging area. So then later the warehouse operator will decide to move this from the staging area to the high racks or the actual storage. Okay. So these are the storage within the warehouse where actual products are stored in the physical warehouse. And these are the so these clarifications on our packing work center for inbound and quality station for return. So these are the within the warehouse before the final put away, before we store into the final rack. So some products needs to undergo certain packing steps or some random checks in the clarification zone and some quality inspection. So it will move via the intermediate steps. Okay, so in that case, so we have the different processes. So later in the inbound section I will explain those. This is just for your understanding purpose. And in the similarly in the outbound, so when the orders received, the urban deliveries are created, like then the system will pick the so like the stock from the storage and it will move to the packing works and for the outbound. So here the actual shipping HU is created. Then it is moved to the staging area. Then it is staging area is linked to the doors. Okay, so in both inbound and outbound section. So when the stock is moved to the staging area, so when truck arrives, so then loading will start. So once loading is done, the goods issue will be posted. And again, so the scrapping zone. So in any warehouses, like so the scrapping is common. Like so for the products which is damaged or which is expired. So in that case, so the those products will undergo the scrapping. So then from the high rack, they will identify what are the products which is not in good shape or which is already expired. So then they move to the scrapping zone. So from the scrapping zone, they perform the scrapping. So when the scrapping is performed, so the stock gets reduced and the posting will update in the S4 system. So this is the simple warehouse structure with different arg elements. So in the next screen, yeah. So in this slide, so I'm explaining the warehouse structure. So how it looks in the EWM. Okay. So warehouse number. So this is the actual warehouse. This represents the complex of the warehouse, the physical building or physical complex of the warehouse. Under this, we have different storage type. So storage types are nothing but, so whatever you can see these small boxes like within this warehouse structure, these are all called storage types. So storage type can be a inbound staging area, or storage type can be a work center, or storage type can be a final storage. So under the warehouse number, we'll have these different storage types, and each storage type will have the storage bins And in some case, for example, in the rack storage, in the final storage, so we have this is warehouse storage type. So in this, so we will segregate the storage type into two different sections. Okay. So for example, so we store the fast moving items in one section, and we store the slow moving items in the other section. So just differentiate these so different racks within the same storage type. So we can use the storage section just to store the actual products. So based on the some fast moving or slow moving items, or in some case in hazardous substances, so always the products like should not be mixed with different products. They can be kept only within particular storage. So the in that case, storage die can be further divided into storage section, so to separate the storage. So under that storage section, so we can have the multiple storage bins. So storage bin is the least org element in the warehouse structure, and storage state is the highest org element. So next, it is the storage type. So this is the highest org level within the warehouse, and it groups the bins with similar characteristics. So it can be a logical area or it can be a physical area. So physical area means where actually goods are kept, or packing work center, or staging areas. So here you can see this is an inbound door. This is also considered as the storage type, and staging area also storage type for the inbound, and work center, physical work center, it also can be created as the storage type, and high rack. So this is the actual storage type where we store the goods, and the packing work center for the outbound, and staging area for the outbound, and doors for the outbound. Storage section. So storage section divides storage types in bin uh, that groups having some sort of similar attributes. Okay, so for example, fast moving items or parts, so they kept separately within the storage type into different storage section. Similarly, slow moving items, they stored separately in the storage type with separate storage section. So storage bin. So this is the storage bin represents the physical location within the warehouse where the products are stored. Okay. So you can see small boxes. So this is considered as the storage bin. So what are the goods we receive? So that is finally stored in this location. So activity area. This is one new thing in the EWM system. So the purpose of having the activity area, so it is just to group the storage bins according to certain particular activities. For example, picking, put away, or physical inventory. So this activity area can contain bins from the different storage types. So the same bins can be assigned to the multiple activity areas. So this activity area, it is just the concept in EWM. So just group the storage bins as per the activity. So it is the logical grouping of the storage bins. Okay. So when the system perform put away or picking or physical inventory or internal movements, so that is based on the activity area. So the final put away warehouse task. So and the warehouse order is created. So it is based on the activity area. So then what are the activity area? So we group with the bin. So system will during warehouse task creation, so it will consider the storage bin. So next is master data. So master data is a very important topic in EWM. So so the some important master data in EWM. So material master data, business partner. So as I already explained, business partner, it includes vendor, customer or carrier and so on. So and supply chain unit. So this is the supply chain unit which we are assigned to the warehouse number in the configuration. And packaging materials. So in the warehouse, the main important thing, the role of packaging material is to just have the packaging. Okay, so what product will go into which packaging material?